Ria Money Transfer Agent Registration 2025 Updated Guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you Ria Money Transfer Agents Registration 2025. So first of all, you have to start by going to the Ria Money Transfer website or opening the mobile app, and you have to look for the Become an Agent section or agent registration or similar section on the website or app, and after that you will need to fill out an online application form with details about your business such as its name, address, contact information, and the type of business you operate. And you may be required to upload documents like a copy of your business license, identification, and other relevant paperwork, and carefully review RIA's terms and conditions and indicate your agreement to them. And once you have completed all the required steps and provided the necessary information, submit your application. And after submitting, RIA may contact you for further information or to schedule a meeting to discuss your application. So let me tell you about some important consideration, like uh, RIA has a wide network, so you can check if they operate in your specific area in your country, and be sure to understand any fees associated with becoming an agent and ensure you comply with all local regulations and laws related to money transfer services. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.